This is where we tied them up to milk them.
We had 100 once.
Not milk cows.
Huh?
Not milk cows.
No, 60 milk cows and a lot of young stock.
Didn't have enough money to start the haying process, so we decided it was time to, the price of fuel,
Sawdust,
Grain.
plastic for the bales. You know, it all added up to a lot of cost to start up and, to go haying, so.
when it costs more to make a gallon of milk than you're getting back, something's got to give, so.
We built the
This
barn
house,
in
we built this
52.
house first.
1952.
1952
First
we built the
barn.
house. Then we built the barn after that. They made up their mind this winter.
You're running out of money and the checks aren't covering the costs and then your savings is gone. It's time to do something else. So rather than go any further in debt, you sell them. And that's that.